We start on the second quarter. Lucia to Tommy Ortega. One shot or less. We will bring it well. Hand off. On the plate, Mosi Vincent with another. Shot clock is winding down to the middle. Dualan. Ball loses. That was the other way. Yeah, no shot, no. We will break the one. It's the open range now. Fortnite, Vincent, fires off, in and out. Ball goes to Maragondon. He's well there. Garacho, and the jump kick, the sword ball. Rover shot, yes sir. 9 points now. We come to the Sojo. Here's the big now, number 6. The pass inside. Couldn't make it. It's well done. On the freeway. All the way down the way. Swoops and misses. Here's the big now for 9. Mosley. On number 6, Muscle Ball. Steps on the gas. Takes away in the 2. John Mark Muscle forward. Again, a jump shot. Here is Maragondon looking for an answer. Yeah, the jump kick. The score for play. Too strong. He got the jump on. Muscle Ball all the way to Vincent. With number 16. RC inside, but that is too high. Well done. Here's still down with 12 points, Swedish 5 to 18. What will we do with this possession? Real takes away, set it back over. Over to go. Here's the big now. Mossing with the reception all the way to RC with the finish. Here's Mossing now. On the freeway he goes. The pass. There's a contact there. A whistle. Foul number 22. This personal foul, Brian Lee's son. Another sort of turnover. In that night, here at our second quarter. Here's Rafa Villar. With the reception. Back to Roselle from downtown. Too strong. He will win it well. Here's the big now. Fortnite, Vincent. Setting it up. 14. Yes, sir. Vincent Mossing. Green. That's first point for Vincent Mossing. That's all with the handle. Lisa, that is control. Brian. That will be a foul. As number 6 is John Mark Muscle. His first personal foul. Substitution. Here is Sunday, off the left step. Taking the handoff, drive, stepping on the gas, setting up back, and foul. Foul's on number 12. His first personal foul on Dustin Pita. He goes so well in the end. basket counted and one. Fouls on number 1. His first personal foul, Don Garasio. Second team foul. Only shot from John Mark Gomez. Zimon by hand. All the way out, nowhere to go. And here's Santo. Looking good and well to the basket. Drop it. Off the three. Kusong, here's Sai Otta. Mostly stepping on the gas. Stolen here by Gascardo. Here's Velasco. All alone. Touchdown. Alright. Standing this one up. Asking for Nick to Janmore. Inside. Dualag. Making his way in. Misses Nebrita. No. Rebound by Velasco. Here's Walter. Setting it up. Sean. Inside. Jimmy Mark. Rather, with a beautiful finish inside the ring, is made with 11 points now. Here's Masakol for 3. Misfires, rebound by Dualang. RC with the reception, 5 to shoot. Vincent, block. Both scoring there. Here's Masakol, look at that. Offer, jumper. Back shot is good. First 2 points there for Kit Offer. About RC. The pass. Jumper. Bank shot. Yes. 4 points now for RC. Here is Besacho inside. It's Lee, yes sir. Vincent. Here's like a fake. Jump shot. Misses. Nebrita puts it back. Hitting the top. Getting those offensive points. Besacho. Back. Jumping for 3. Yes sir. Jonathan Sojo. 3. 40 points now for Jonathan Sojo. 2 3-pointers. But they're still down by 11 points, 36 to 25. Masukol lays it in. Here's Zaled. Miguel asking for a pick to the middle. Nigri to Offer. Jump shot. Misses. You are playing Vito once again. It's the open way now. Stopping by 3. In and out. Miguel with the pick and lane. Mostly draw pass. Muscle hold inside. Well dead. On the pass. Nigri. Takes out. Shot up wide for big. Too strong this time. Rebound by Vincent. And here's Mosty now. Inside pass. RC. Overshoots. Rebound by him. Mosty. John Mark. Off the glass. What a connection. Here is Alter. They have under 2 minutes to go. With the big now, Vincent, all the way, touchdown. Right now, maraming goal. We would like to We would like to acknowledge the presence of our future counselor, Mr. Jonathan Lacaso, who is watching with us right now. Happy watching folks. Here is the Sasha, and the back of the whole game is Nico Ray with a green tail inside the rim. Nico Ray the Sasha, the energizer for Malagondon, and making those offensive shots. Here's Vincent with a green tail. But there's a Lagnai making those answers. On the other side, there's Erskine. Both saves in 18 on their shot clock. We still have a minute and 12 to go. We went our first half. Here's Ryan Wilson. Setting it up. Up the top of the heat for Dave. Deep by one. Kevin. Pass too strong. Ball goes the other way. We still have under a minute to go. Here's Deracho. There you say. Almost on wide. Bounce here. Foul on the number 12. It's Dustin and Pina. Second personal foul. There's now 2 free throws for Deracho. First shot goes in for 10. And 18. 4 points now for the big man, Dan Deracho of Malagondon. Here's RC asking for a pick. Handoff. Angelo carving his way. Dan on the shot clock. Kick out. Both teams with 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Here's RC Abad on the baseline inbound. Eyeing up the play. Hand off. Vincent hesitation. Will fly by. No. Battle for the loose forward. Not running out of the board. Here's Foster. All the way. RC getting that rebound. Abad. Instead of have 10 seconds to the lead. From downtown, no, rebound by Masukol. John Mark Masukol, the X-Factor. And that ends our first half. In the second quarter, official score 48-29.